I'm going to do a quick walkthrough of the design proposal for adding comment and approval as part of code review. To start with, we'll look at what the current experience looks like. If you're in the middle of a code review, you'll see your pending comments as usual. You can still submit the review this way. And then at the bottom, you have this fixed bar with the pending comments and then the submit review button. The differences for this view. So this is what we currently have on production. What we're going to end up doing is keeping all this the same. And if you click submit review through the comment here, it'll just submit the review as usual and nothing will change there. The difference here is at the bar at the bottom. The first small change is that the counter badge is on the pending comments button instead of on this confirm button. The reason for that is because we had quite a few research participants get confused about what the difference between these two buttons are. So when they saw the badge on here, that they assumed that they were going to see all of those pending comments. We might end up doing something like that in a future iteration, but for now, we'll put the badge here and it will show you those two comments. Finish review is the new confirmation action. It used to be submit review. And we've added this little caret to show that it's now a drop up. Why is this not working? Okay, so when you click on it, this appears. You can fill out your form. You can also approve it by clicking this checkbox, which will default to unchecked. And the label here might change, but right now I've got finish review to match what the confirmation button is, and I've added optional because you are able to click this button, see this, and then click submit review and not fill anything in here. When we first release this feature, what I'd like to do is also add an additional alert here to this page, which will look something like this. So the first time that you see this modal drop up, we're going to have this little alert here that'll tell you you can use quick actions to kind of streamline your MR workflow. And then there's an example of resign reviewer. We do have the button here that says quick actions will work. So everything should work the same, but I'd like to call this out because there are several other actions that developer reviewers might want to take when filling this out, like adding a different label, unassigning themselves, reassigning them, changing a milestone, whatever they want to do, they can do it here too. And I want to make sure that it's known to the greater community. So I think that kind of encompasses everything. Oh, when you click outside of this box, it should automatically close like a regular dropdown, but any text that's been added here, or if this has been checked, that should all be preserved and saved in local storage, I assume, so that the user can open it, reopen it whenever they want. And then when they post this, it should submit it and redirect the user to the overview page, and it'll show that posted comment highlighted blue because it's linked to that comment, and any action they happen to take in that comment, like an approval, will also show up there, and then the code comments should also show up above. I think that kind of covers everything, but let me know if that makes sense or if you have any suggestions.